Hey there, amazing entrepreneurs and future business leaders. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we dive deep into the entrepreneurial journey, sharing insights from the experiences of building and selling multi-million-dollar businesses. If that sounds like your cup of tea, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss out on our weekly wisdom bombs. Today's video is all about sharing the journey and the lessons learned along the way, especially for those of you who are in a similar position or are aspiring entrepreneurs. Stick around till the end because step 10 will make you nervous, but you will have to implement it for success. Let's start by breaking down the 10 phases of going from 0 to 100 million. Our first step, finding your market fit. The first phase is all about finding your market fit. It's about nailing down one product, one target audience, and one sales channel. The key here is consistency. You want to be able to sell the same amount of units week after week, month after month. Sounds simple, right? Well, it's not. It can be overwhelming with all the noise and uncertainty. But trust me, you're not alone. We've all been there. The journey to finding your market fit involves deeply understanding your target audience and their needs. This goes beyond demographics, tapping into their career aspirations, current priorities, and specific pain points. Utilizing open-ended questions in your interactions with potential customers can be pivotal. For example, asking, "What is the main benefit you get from using your product?" can provide valuable insights. It's crucial to develop a strong connection with your target market, as their feedback will guide the evolution of your product. Take, for example, Segment. Initially, they developed a product named Class Metric, which didn't gain traction among students. They pivoted to a database solution during the development of another failed product, Segment.io. This tool, however, gained significant traction and was eventually sold to Twilio for $3.2 billion. This story emphasizes the importance of pivoting and testing core hypotheses before fully developing a product. Our step 2, developing sales skills. During this phase, focus on developing your sales skills. If you can effectively sell to a person over the phone or through Zoom, you'll also understand how to market to them. During the initial stages, focusing on developing your sales skills is key. Sales aren't just about transactions. It's about understanding how to communicate your product's value effectively. This understanding then translates into your marketing strategies. And speaking of skills, let's talk about the hierarchy of competence. It's a pyramid that represents the different stages of skill development. You start with unconscious incompetence, not knowing what you don't know. Then move to conscious incompetence. You know what you don't know. Followed by conscious competence. You know what you know. And finally, unconscious competence. You're so good, it's second nature. Remember, you can't skip these stages. Embrace the process and be patient with yourself. It takes time to master a skill, whether it's sales, marketing, or leadership. On to step 3 now, let's talk about work capacity. Starting a business requires a significant amount of effort, especially in the early stages. You'll need to work harder than ever before, even when it feels tough. Embrace the season of hard work, knowing that it will pay off in the long run. Don't let fatigue or frustration hold you back. Keep pushing forward, and your work capacity will grow. As your business grows, you'll eventually need to hire the right people. Start by offloading the tasks you hate and aren't good at. Focus on hiring experts who can fill those gaps and help your business thrive. To do so, unleash the power of LinkedIn to scout for industry experts, refining your search with filters like job titles and geographical location to find the perfect match for your business needs. Transform this task into an efficient venture by considering outsourcing the search process to skilled professionals on platforms like Upwork, ensuring you connect with top talent seamlessly. Step 4. Scaling your business. As your business grows from 1 million to 10 million and then to 50 million, the focus shifts from just selling to delivering consistent value and maximizing customer lifetime value, LTV. This involves understanding your customers' evolving needs and adapting your offers to match those needs. Always aim to exceed their expectations and find ways to provide additional value. And implementing systems and data-driven decisions is critical for consistency and growth. It's essential to keep innovating and attracting top talent to maintain the growth momentum. Netflix demonstrated scalability by transitioning from DVD rentals to a streaming model, which allowed them to cater to millions globally without significant incremental costs per user. Our next step, 5. Understanding and utilizing product market fit. Product market fit is about ensuring that your product meets the needs of your target audience. It involves identifying specific audiences and solving their common problems. This can mean avoiding certain markets that don't align with your product strengths. As you scale, remember that product market fit is not static. It evolves with market trends and customer needs, so staying flexible and adaptive is crucial. Take Apple, for example. Apple consistently releases new versions of their products, like the iPhone, to maintain product market fit. They started by making computer interfaces easier for regular people, focusing on design and simplicity, which attracted a loyal customer base. On the other hand, consider poor Blockbuster. They failed to adapt to changing market trends, unlike Netflix, and did not update its business model to maintain product market fit, leading to their closure. Our step 6 is all about establishing credibility and building trust. In the journey towards $100 million, establishing credibility is vital. Share your brand story, be active in your industry, and show your expertise through various types of content. Trust is a significant factor in establishing credibility and can dramatically increase the lifetime value of your customers. Finding the right traffic source for your content is also essential to effectively reach your target audience. Again, Apple is an exemplary case where their initial focus on user-friendly computer interfaces and continual innovation in product design kept them relevant and trusted in a competitive market. Lucky step number 7, consistency. As you scale from 10 to 50 million, consistency becomes key. Implement systems and professionalize your management. This is where you'll need to hire functional leaders and decision makers, not just staff, who can take the reins and drive the business forward. We'll touch more on this in step 9. It's also crucial to make data-driven decisions and create a culture that values data. This will help you maintain steady growth and mitigate any inconsistencies. For a professional company to effectively implement systems, especially for data gathering, it's crucial to first identify key metrics that align with business objectives. Integrating automated data collection tools like customer relationship management, CRM systems, or analytics software can streamline this process. These systems should be regularly updated and maintained to ensure accuracy and relevance of the data collected, thereby providing valuable insights for strategic decision-making and business growth. When you reach the 50 to 100 million mark, it's all about step number 8, innovation and talent. You need to think about how to take your business to the next level. This could involve what's called vertical integration. Vertical integration in business is a strategy where a company extends its operations across different stages of production within its industry. This can involve controlling both the supply of raw materials, backward integration, and the distribution or retail of the final product, forward integration. For instance, a car manufacturer might start making its own steel or tires, backward integration, or sell its cars directly through its own retail outlets, forward integration. This approach can lead to cost savings, better quality control, and more market power, but also requires significant investment and complex management. The next level for your business may also mean turning your business into a technology-driven enterprise or expanding into new markets. And to fuel this innovation, you'll need to attract top talent and build an executive team that can take your business to new heights. Our step 9, build a team. To attract top talent and build a capable executive team of leaders and decision makers, focus on creating a compelling company, vision and culture that aligns with their career goals and values. Offer competitive compensation, including equitable pay and enticing benefits that reflect the value they bring to your company. Invest in professional development opportunities to aid their growth and show commitment to their success. Additionally, ensure clear paths for career progression and foster an inclusive and innovative work environment. Highlighting your company's achievements and potential in the industry can also make your company more attractive to high-caliber candidates. Last but not least, step 10. Don't be afraid to fake it till you make it. When you first start your first business, you'll likely consume every piece of information you can get your hands on. You'll listen to podcasts, read books, attend free events, and network like crazy. But here's the thing I wish I knew back then. You'll never feel fully ready. Instead, you need to become someone who can take action despite feeling unprepared or even feeling like an imposter. It's about embracing the uncertainty and learning as you go and faking it till you make it. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not about deceiving anyone. It's about carrying yourself with confidence and showing you've got the chops, even if you're still learning the ropes. Think of it as wearing an invisible cape of confidence. When you project self-assurance, clients and colleagues start seeing you as the go-to person. It's all about embracing challenges, diving into new experiences, and yes, sometimes winging it a bit. But here's the kicker. As you keep pushing your limits, that make-believe confidence evolves into real expertise. So let's put on our game faces and turn those aspirations into achievements. If you've tried this approach, share your stories in the comments below. Phew, that was a lot to cover. But we hope you found these insights helpful. Let us know in the comments which parts resonated with you, and if there's anything else you'd like covered in future videos. Remember, building a successful business takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn. Stay focused, stay determined, and you'll make it happen. We'll see you at the top.